Hi everyone, my name is Olivia Song, Solutions Architect on Amazon Selling Partner API team. Today I'll be talking about a new feature we just launched, spapi Guard. Selling Partner API Guard is a serverless application that scans the Selling Partner API developer's AWS account to assess their security compliance with Amazon's data protection policy. Guard leverages custom scan rules built with AWS Security Hub and Amazon Macie to look for security gaps, and then returns a findings report with remediation recommendation within 24 hours to your S3 bucket. Guard simplifies security audits by removing manual collection of information so that you can spend your time on building the best solutions for selling partners while knowing your cloud environment is compliant. Today I'll be going over a quick tutorial on Guard, which includes installing, scanning, generating a report, and cleaning up the resources. Let's get started. You can access the Guard through Seller Central, which also provides a link to its documentation. By clicking Get Started, you'll be prompted to log into the AWS account you want to scan for, after which you'll see a Guard CloudFormation template. Make sure to enter the email address where you want to receive notification, and also the merchant token in here from Seller Central as well. In a few minutes, you'll receive an email to subscribe to Guard notification. Make sure you confirm by clicking the subscription link. Then Guard will start creating the CloudFormation resources, and you can view the status in the AWS CloudFormation console. As this process will take a few minutes, feel free to go grab a coffee or tea while we wait. Hopefully when you're back, you should have received another email with a link that enables an automated EC2 CLI provision that provides you with an endpoint to run Guard commands. Once you open the Guard EC2 CLI link from the email, you'll be redirected to a session manager. The first step is to enable AWS security services used in Guard, including Macie, Inspector, and Guard Duty. If they're already enabled in your account, Guard will not change their setting. You'll be asked to select scan rules. You can select yes or no to launch the scans. If you answer yes to the services that are already enabled, Guard will not make modifications to your configuration, but will simply pull the latest active findings from the respective services. The final step is to begin the scan through Guard. Guard is a self-service tool. You can decide whether or not to share your scan report with Amazon when it's generated. If you select yes, the findings report will be shared with you and Amazon at the same time. However, if you decide not to share with Amazon now but later change your mind, you can use this command to send a report to Amazon anytime within 30 days. After 24 hours, you'll receive an email that contains a summary of findings from the Guard scan. You can click the S3 link to view the details and download the report. The report also provides links to remediation recommendations on each finding, as you can see. Now for the resource cleanup. Guard automatically disables the AWS security services triggered in the scan. Guard also automatically deletes EC2 instances and VPC after 30 days of the scan, but you have the option to delete them immediately after receiving your report. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Guard is a CloudFormation template that's fast to deploy and easy to use. Hopefully you enjoyed learning about Selling Partner API Guard and are ready to use it. Until next time.